Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to solve Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Paper 1 core in a session October-November 2024 Paper 1-2. So let's start with the first question. Question number 1, write the number 500,000 in figures. Okay, so 1 million has 6 zeros. Half million is 5 and with 5 zeros. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. So half million is basically 500,000. Question number 2. Anton records the color of each car in a car park. His results are shown in the table. The color and the frequency on the grid. Draw a bar chart to show this information. Complete the scale on the frequency axis. Okay. So the black, gray, white and blue colors and the frequency we have given. For black, the frequency is 12. Okay. 1, 2. We have to complete the scale on the frequency axis as well. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Because 12 is the maximum one. So black has 12. The frequency of black is 12. Let me draw for black. It's 12. Then gray is 9. The gray frequency is 9. Okay. White will be 11. White is 11. And the blue is 4. The blue one is 4. So this is how the bar chart look like. Question number 3, solve part A. Solve for x by dividing both sides by 14, which is 14 out of 5. Or in terms of decimal, we can say 14 by 5 is 2.8. Part B, you have to solve for x by doing 25 take away 6, which is 19. Question number 4, the diagram shows a regular polygon. So it is a regular polygon. Write down the mathematical name of this polygon. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 sides. So this is a pentagon. Pentagon has 5 sides. Part B, on the diagram, draw all the lines of symmetries. Okay, so pentagon has 5 lines of symmetries. This is the first line of symmetry. Okay. The second. Third. Fourth. And the fifth. So it has 5 lines of symmetries. Now for part C, write down the order of rotational symmetry. So obviously it has an order of rotational symmetry 5 because it has 5 sides. Question number 5. Write the number correct to part A, the nearest 100. Ones, tens, 100. So this would be 53,000. This is 6 and the next digit is 8. It's more than 5, so we have to round up. Add 1 and 6, it becomes 7 and replacing the rest of the digits by 0. 57,500 is the answer. Now for part B, one decimal place. So one decimal place is this 53,683 point. The one decimal place is this. The next digit is 8. It is more than 5. So add 1. It becomes 6. Question number 6. Triangle ABC has sides AC and BC. Use a ruler and compasses only. Construct the triangle ABC. Leave you in your construction or the side AB has been drawn for you. A to some C is 4.2 centimeters. All right. Let me use a ruler and a compass. It's in centimeters. Yeah, this side length is centimeters. 4.2 from A to C. So this is more than 4.2. This is exactly 4.2. You guys can see from 0 to this 4.2. Put the compass at point A and draw an arc of 4.2. Okay. Let me do this here. Here is an arc. From B to C is 5.6. Okay, let me open it a bit wider. This is 5. Okay, it's more. It's a bit more. 5.5. This is 5.6. This is 5.6 from 0 to 5.6. Place it on B and draw an arc. Okay, so the two arcs intersect at the point. This is the point C, and let me construct the triangle ABC. And you have to leave in your construction arcs. They have to check your arcs. Okay. Now for part C, put one pair of bracket in each statement to make it correct. All right. So let's do this. It is just a 1 mark question. So let's use a calculator. 15 plus 12 in the bracket and minus 3 and times 4 is outside. It's not correct. Okay, let me remove the brackets. Okay, now put the bracket on 12 and 3. 12 and 3. It's 51. Yes. So on 12 and 3, here is a pair of bracket for the first one. Now for the second one is 15 plus 12 minus 3 times 4. Okay, let me put the bracket, the first and the second one. It's 15. Okay, if I cancel this out and put it over here, it's 96. So the bracket on the first 3 makes it correct. Question number 8, we have to simplify. So the C and the C is 8C minus 3C, and the D is minus D plus 3D. Okay, take C common, 8 minus 3 is left. Take D common, we have 3 minus 1. This is 5C plus 2D in simplest form. 5C plus 2D. Question number 9, the diagram shows an isosceles triangle having two sides and two angles are same. This angle is also 43. Find the value of x. Sum of all angles of a triangle add up to 180 degree equals 180 degree. So angle x is going to be 180 degree minus 43 and minus 43. 180 minus 43 minus 43, it becomes 94 degrees is the angle x. Question number 10, complete each statement with a number from the list. Is a natural number. Which one is a natural number? This is a decimal. 24 is a natural number. Yes. Which is an irrational number. So square root number is irrational. So root 3 is an irrational number. Which is a reciprocal of 4. Reciprocal of 4 is 1 by 4, and 1 by 4 is reciprocal of 4 is 1 by 4, and in terms of decimal 1 by 4 is 0.25. Let me show you 0.25. So this is a reciprocal of 4. Question number 11. The temperature in town A is negative 8 degrees Celsius and the temperature in town B is 16 degrees Celsius. Part A, find the difference in these two temperatures. For town A and town B, the difference in temperatures, which is 16 plus 8. So 16 plus 8 is 24. Yes, 24 degrees Celsius is a difference in temperatures. Part B, the temperature in town A rise by 12 degree. Find the temperature in town A now. Town A temperature is negative 8. It rise 12 degree, right? In negative 8, add 12. This would be 12 take away 8 is 4 degrees Celsius is the temperature now. Question number 12. The scale drawing shows the position of two ships A and B. The scale is 1 centimeter, represents 6 kilometer. All right. Part A, measure the bearing of ship B from ship A. From A means from the north line of A till this, you have to measure this bearing. Use a protractor and measure the bearing. All right, so you can see this is 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 141, 142, 143 is that angle. 143 degrees Celsius. 143 degrees, sorry. Now for part B, find the actual distance between the two ships. The actual distance between the two ships. First find out in terms of centimeters between two ships. This is 6.5 centimeters. You guys can see from 0 to 6.5. This is 6.5 centimeters. We have to convert this in terms of kilometers. 1 centimeter is equals to 6 kilometer. What is 6.5 centimeters? This is 6.5 times by 6. 6.5 times by 6. 39 kilometers. 39. Question number 13. The scatter diagram shows the number of rooms and the number of people in each of 8 buildings. Okay, total number of buildings are 8. Number of rooms and the number of people. Part A, one of the building has 967 rooms. Number of rooms are 67. Write down the number of people in this building. 67. Okay. This is 62, 64, 66, and in the middle we have 67. This is for 67. So this is 72, 46, 76. Number of people are 76. Wait. Now for part B, in another building there are 42 people and 33 rooms. On the scatter diagram, plot this point. 32 people, 42 peoples. Number of peoples are 42 over here and the rooms are 33. We have 32 and 33s over here. This is 42, this is 30, right? 32 and 33 is in the middle. Now for part C, number 1, on the scatter diagram, draw the line of best fit. Okay, let me rule a line of best fit. Okay, it might be different in your case. Now for the second part of C, there are 45 people in a different building. Find an estimate of the number of rooms in this building. 45 people, we have to find the rooms. 45 corresponding to 45, 42, 44 and 45 is in the middle. Estimate the number of rooms, which is 31 rooms according to my line of best fit. Part D, what type of correlation is shown in the scatter diagram? Okay, when the number of people increases from 10 to 80, the number of rooms also increases, so this is a positive correlation. One quantity increase, other also increase. Question number 14, the diagram shows a trapezium. The area of the trapezium is 42. Find the value of x. So the area of a trapezium is given, which is 42. This would be equals to half the sum of parallel sides. These two are the parallel sides, which is x and 9.5. Its sum multiplied by the height of the trapezium, which is 6. Okay, 2 times 3 is 6, and 42 divided by 3, this would be x plus 9.5. So what is x? 42 over 3, this is 14, minus 9.5, this would be my x. 4.5 is the x value. So this x is 4.5 centimeters. Question number 15. In a league, team gain 4 points for each win, 4 points for one win and 2 points for each draw and a bonus points. Team A has X wins, Y draws and B bonus point. Write down an expression in terms of X, Y and B for the total number of points in the team has. Okay, in a league, team gain 4 points for each win. 4 points for each win, 2 points for each draw is y, sorry, and plus a bonus point b. So 4x plus 2y plus b. This is the total number of points the team has. Question number 16. Dana invests $3,600 at a rate of 3.8% per year compound interest. Calculate the value of our investment at the end of 5 years, right? So the value of investment is amount we have to calculate, P into 1 plus R to the power T. Amount investment is 3,600 into 1 plus interest rate is 3.8% and the time is 5 years. Let me simplify. 3,600 into 1 plus 3.8 over 100. Its power is going to be 54337. Amount is 4,337.9, or we can say $4,338. Question number 17. The diagram shows a parallelogram. Work out the size of the smallest interior angle of the parallelogram. Okay, so for parallelogram, if this angle is 15.5x, this is also 15 plus 5x. This angle is 132 minus 2x. This is also 132 minus 2x. Sum of all angles of a parallelogram add up to 360 degrees. So there is 2 times 132 minus 2x plus there's 2 times 15 plus 5x, and their sum is equals to 360 degrees. Let me simplify this. Okay, let's take 2 common. 132 minus 2x plus 15 plus 5x. This is 360 degree. Okay, so 132 plus 15 would be 147 plus 3x. This is 360 divided by 2, which is equals to a 180 degree. Right. Let me solve for x. So 3x is 180 minus 147, and x would be equals to 180 minus 147 is 33 divided by 3, so x is equals to 11, right? So now this x value is 11. Let me find which one is the smallest one by plugging into the angles. 132 minus 2 into 11, or 15 plus 5 into 11. Okay, so 132 minus 2 times 11 is 22. This is 110. 15 plus 5 times 5 is 55, which is 70. So which one is the smallest interior angle? So this angle is 70, this angle is 70, this angle is 110, this angle is 110. So which one is the smallest interior angle of the parallelogram, which is 70? Question number 18, you have to simplify this. 3 times 6 is 18, which is 6, x to the power 6 and x to the power negative 2. This is 6x to the power 6 minus 2. Bases are same. You can add the power 6x to the power 4. So the simplified answer is 6x to the power 4. Question number 19. You have a vector AB. Mark the point A on the grid. Okay, so solve for A first. AB is basically equals to B minus A. AB is 3 and minus 2. What is B? B is 4 and 2. You can see x coordinate of B is 4 and the y coordinate of B is 2. This is 4 and 2 minus some A. This is xy. Let me solve for A. How can we do this? By shifting this on this side. This would be positive xy. 4 and 2 stays the same. Shift this on the other side. It becomes negative 3 and minus 2. So 4 take away 3 and 2 minus minus becomes plus 2. This is 1 and 4. So you have to mark the point A on the grid. So A is 1, 4, X is 1 and the Y is 4. This is A. Just mark it. Question number 20. Points A and B lies on a circle, center O and the radius is R. The area of the circle is given. Find the area of the right angle triangle AOB. The circle area is given to us. All right, so area of a circle, use this information. The formula for area of a circle is pi times radius square. So area of a circle is 120. This would be equals to pi times radius square. So 120 divided by pi, this is a value of radius square, and 120 divided by pi, its square root, this would be equals to the radius of this circle. Okay, root 120 over pi, this would be equals to 6.18 centimeter. That is a radius. So we have done with the radius R and R, and it is a right angle triangle. All right, half base and height. This is the base and this is the height. The area of the triangle, area of right angle triangle is half base and height. So base is R and the height is also R. So half R square. So radius square, take it square and divide it by 2, 19.09, or we can say 19.1 centimeter square. Question number 21. Without using calculator, work out. You must solve your working and give your answer as a mixed number in its simplest form. 4 times 2 is 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 by 4 times 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. 11 times 3 is 33 and 4 times 2 would be 8. Right, in its simplest form, 33 over 8 is already in the simplest form. So mixed number is 8. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 4 is 32 plus 1 is 33. So the answer in mixed number is 4, 1 over 8. Question number 22. Solve the simultaneous equation. You must solve your working. Okay, so let me multiply. I want to get rid of the variable x first. So multiply by the opposite coefficients. This coefficient is 3. Multiply this equation by 3. This is 2. Multiply this equation by 2. Right, 2 times 3 would be 6x, and 7 times 3 is 21y equals to 34 times 3. 34 times 3 is 102. 2 times 3 would be 6x, and 5 times 2 is 10y, and what is 2 times 18? 36. Now let me subtract the two equations. This is cancelled out. From 21 subtract 10. This is 11 y 102 and subtract 36 is 66. So y would be equals to 66 divided by 11. 11 times 6 is 66. So the y value is 6. We have done with the y, that is equals to 6. Okay, now substitute the y into first or second equation. This is 2x plus 7y equals to 34. That is my first equation. I'm plugging the y value over here. 2x plus 7 and the y is 6 equals to 34. Now 2x, 7 times 6 is 42 equals to 34. 2x would be equals to 34 minus 42, which is 8, negative 8. So x is negative 8 by 2. 2 times 4 is 8, so x value is negative 4. Right. So that was the last question of our paper. If you have any queries, please let me know in a comment section and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Take care.